How to see what's included with a Zipcar trip. Knowing what's included with a Zipcar trip helps us avoid any kind of extra charges and surprises. So we can just go over and see exactly what's included before we start our trip. We can open up a browser or you can even download the application of Zipcar and go to zipcar.com on our browser like this and log in into our account if we are not logged in. And then once we do so, we can select up a car. So in this section right here, we can just go over and type in our street name and city and our pickup and our return date and tap on search. And we can just go over and search for a car near us. That should open up the car listing and open up the trip's detail page. In that detail page, we'll be seeing what's included, such as gas, fuel, insurance coverage, maintenance and repairs, mileage limit, and 24/7 road side assistance, etc. These are something though that are included directly into most of the trips. So you can just go and check it out. And even you may scroll down to look out for the mileage limits, overdays fees, late return fees, because some cars may have special rules. So you can check it out. And you can double check all of the inclusions available and then tap on reserved to book the car confidently. And you can just go and do so. And uh, you can always check the mileage to avoid extra charges, and gas card is usually inside the car. Insurance details vary by reason, and that's how we check what's included with a Zipcar trip before booking. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.